Warm greetings to all my respected judges and delegates. Our team here has put up a table clinic which will portray the uses of a green stick compound disposing gun and an indigenously made electric wax cover. Using the flame of the burner or the spirit lamp blowtorch has numerous issues which can make the manipulation and tissue recording a bit difficult. So here we are with a green stick disposing gun which dispenses the material very evenly, taking good care of the sterilization as well. The gun will be a one-time investment for the dental students and the practitioners and aims to take out all the issues that happen with the conventional flame method. Our second instrument is an indigenously made electric wax cover that is very cost effective as the making of this costs only around 20 rupees in total. This electric wax cover aims to eliminate the heating of the instrument on the flame during the teeth arrangement or the wax pattern fabrication. The working and the demonstration of both these instruments will be hereby explained by Dr. Vinay.
Now I'll explain about the green stick dispensing gun. So I'll just quickly jump on to I'll tell you how the mechanism of this glue stick is. First of all, we have to plug in. After plug in, we have to switch it on and see the check light. If the check light is on, the thing is working. We have to wait for around 1 to 2 minutes for the chamber to completely heat up. There's a chamber here from here which extends from here till here, and this metallic chamber, when it heats, the compound inside the chamber melts. Now I'll show you the working. With a little gentle pressure, I'll take my impression tray and I'll push it from behind with gentle pressure. As you can see here, the flow is even. After placing the impression compound onto the flanges, we just have to cold temper it and do the normal border molding. Now coming to the next instrument that is indigenously made is the electric wax carver. So this is actually it's made of 0.22 ohm resistance of 1 watt, and this can be found in any discarded electrical gadgets that we have lying around in our house. And if you want to buy the parts, it's going to cost less than 20 rupees for the whole assembly to complete. So this has a detachable tip. So the tip is a round cylinder, but here I have modified it according to my need. So this tip can be trimmed off and it can be made into any kind of shape according to the use that we want. If you want, we can make it thin needle type. We can make it according to whatever stuff that we want to do. Like for teeth arrangement, if you want a flat end tip, if you want a spoon shaped tip, if you want tips like PKTs that we get in the PKT, so we can make it with this. So I'll just quickly show you how it works. I just have to attach this, have to switch it on, and have to wait for 15 to 20 seconds for this tip to completely heat up. So let me just check if it is hot. Yes, it's hot. So it's very easy to use. It just melt wax like a butter. As you can see here, I have made a little space for my molar to sit in. It's not time consuming, it's very hassle free. You don't have to heat the instrument again and again and again and again on the burner. Just very easy like this. And after placing my molar into the place, I'll just seal it off. It seals the molar into its place, and also at the same time it polishes and removes the excess wax part. As I was talking about the application, like for example, I have not recorded the frenum area properly while doing my border molding. So by not dipping the whole tray into the heat and distorting all the impression that I have already made, I can just sectionally, I can melt the area with this. As you can see here, do little bit cold tempering and then record the desired area.